Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS news for Monday, April 8. About 500 Jamaicans are to benefit from free cataract surgeries at the Kingston Public Hospital. The surgeries will be done by volunteer medical personnel in Bright Journey 2019, China's eye care mission to Jamaica. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has welcomed the medical mission, which he says will go a far way in dealing with some of the backlog of persons waiting to have cataract surgery.
As it relates to waiting, my understanding, having done some checks, is that we have some 4,000 Jamaicans who are waiting to have cataract surgeries.
Minister Tufton also pointed out that data from a 2015 examination revealed that cataract, followed by uncorrected refractive error and glaucoma, were the dominant causes of blindness among the population. This is Bright Mission's second visit to Jamaica. The first was in May 2015, when more than 200 patients benefited from free cataract surgeries at the Kingston Public Hospital. The hospital also received donated medical equipment and supplies worth $400,000. Additional equipment and supplies have again been donated, this time along with the cataract surgeries. In other health news, Montego Regional Hospital has received a $1 million donation to support the work of its renal unit. The money was donated last Thursday by Jamaica Standard Products Company Limited, JSP, through its annual event, the High Mountain Coffee Road Race. Regional Director for the Southern Regional Health Authority, Michael Bent, says the donation will greatly impact the lives of the 58 patients and their families who access services from the unit's 12 dialysis stations. He says it will also allow the hospital to stretch its services to more patients, pointing out that 103 persons are on the waiting list to access hemodialysis services. SARA's regional director says the annual cost to treat kidney failure patients at Montego Regional is $65.8 million, with the demand for these services outweighing the hospital's resources and capacity. He's calling on Jamaicans to take greater personal responsibility for their health and is urging corporate Jamaica and individuals to partner with the public health sector to help ensuring the sustainability of the service. Security measures have been strengthened at the Victoria Jubilee and Kingston public hospitals. Acting CEO for the hospitals, Colleen Wright, has revealed that 13 closed-circuit television (CCTV) cameras have been installed at the facilities. The cameras, valued at $1.3 million, were bought with funding provided by the Ministry of Health. The hospital CEO says the cameras cover high traffic and vulnerable points throughout the compound, including the lobby areas and all entrance and exit points. She says the cameras enhance public safety and should help the hospital resolve matters quickly in the event of criminal activity. Other security measures have also been put in place to monitor the approximately 210 persons who visit KPH and Victoria Jubilee daily. These include 24-hour security personnel and visitors now being required to sign in to enter the facilities. Additionally, searches have been implemented to ensure that no unauthorized items or persons enter or leave the hospitals. In other news, government is crafting a comprehensive plan to accelerate Jamaica's progress in the animation industry. This is being done through stakeholder consultations and investor engagement, which will inform the contents of a green paper for animation policy, as well as a national science, technology, and innovation policy.
And that is critical as part of our entire national development plan, a plan that will see us finding these innovative ways of moving the country constructively in the right direction.
Minister Pernell Charles Jr. was speaking on Friday at the third staging of the Kingston Animation Festival. The four-day conference formed part of activities under the Youth Employment in the Digital and Animation Industries YEDI project. $908 million has been set aside in the 2019-2020 budget to execute programs under this project. In addition to staging Kingston, the project will create a business development program for animators, conduct an apprenticeship program, and train 1,850 youth in record digitization. And finally, the Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ's final count of votes for the Portland Eastern by-election has confirmed Anne-Marie Vaz as the constituency's elected Member of Parliament. The EOJ says its final count was completed Saturday evening at the Port Antonio High School. Mrs. Vaz secured 9,989 votes, while Damian Crawford got 9,670 votes. The EOJ says 75 ballots were rejected. Of the 36,315 electors on the voters list, 19,734 voted. This represents a voter turnout of 54.3%. It was a higher turnout from the 2016 general election, when 43.93% of electors cast their ballots in the constituency. After receiving the results from the returning officer, the Director of Elections will advise the Governor-General and the Clerk to the Houses of Parliament as to the winning candidate. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.